Hi, I'm Jamey Harris with Remedy Plumbing. Pipes don't last forever, and replacing them before they fail can save you from thousands in water damage and repairs. Let's go over the signs that it might be time to repipe your home. First, discolored or rusty water. If your tap water runs brown or yellow, that's corrosion from the inside of your old pipes. Second, frequent leaks. If you're calling a plumber every few months, you're likely chasing symptoms, not solving the root issue. Third, low or inconsistent water pressure. Build up inside old galvanized or copper lines restrict the flow and make showers frustrating. Fourth, the age of your home. If your home was built before the mid-1990s, you might have galvanized steel or polybutylene lines. Both need to be replaced sooner rather than later. Fifth, high water bills without a clear reason. That often means there's a slow, hidden leak somewhere in the system. Here in Athens and surrounding areas, we still find homes running on 40-year-old pipes. Once one fails, it's only a matter of time before others do. New PEX or copper lines improve pressure, protect your water quality, and give you peace of mind for decades. If your plumbing shows signs, give us a call. I'm Jamey Harris with Remedy Plumbing, and remember, Dr. Remedy makes house calls.